Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. Today's video, we're going to practice graphing in 4 quadrants of the coordinate grid. So for the first example, it says, which coordinates represent the center of the point star? Well, let's kind of refresh our memory, and we want to label our x-axis and our y-axis. For the x-axis, it goes horizontal, and then the y-axis is vertical. And anytime you graph a point or want to determine the location of a point or coordinates, you always start off with x, and x is always first. So it would always look like this. Now, in the center is what we call our origin, and any numbers to the right on the x-axis will be positive. And then, of course, anything on the left side of the origin will be negative. Now, for the y-axis, the negative numbers would be below 0, 0, and the positive numbers will be above 0, 0. So first thing we want to do is see how far we start at the 0, 0, and then we go over 1, 2, 3, 4. But since we're doing the center of the point star, it's halfway. So that means it would be negative 4.5. And so for the y-axis, it goes up 1, 2, 3. Now for the next example, I'll show you how I counted if you need a refresher on that. All right, so we're going to go to the next example. It says, which coordinates represent the location of the smiley face? Okay, so we're always going to start at 0, 0. The axis is not labeled. We can label it. We don't have to. It's just it's not going to hurt. You go to 0, 0, and as I said, we always start off with the x. So since we need to go to the right, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you notice, I didn't start counting until I made that first hop. So for my x coordinate, it would be 5. Now I'm going to go below 1, 2. So it's negative 2. So the coordinates for the smiley face would be 5, negative 2. I hope this helped. I will make another video where we actually plot points versus one already being done for us and we find it. All right, well, thanks for watching.